Do you need to replace the keyboard on your Latitude 5520? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe and or your fingers to pry apart the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery. Now to remove the 3-cell battery, just unscrew and remove it. And if you have the 4-cell battery, there's one additional screw that you will take out before you remove it. Now pry apart the locking tabs to release and slide out the RAM. Now unscrew and slide out the 2230 NVMe solid-state drive. Then unscrew and slide out the 2280 NVMe SSD. Now unscrew and disconnect the cooling fan. There are two versions of this model, one with integrated video and one with discrete video, and each one has its own unique heatsink. And while they have different screw configurations, the removal process is the same for both. To do so, just unscrew and remove them. Now remember, before replacing the heatsink, I would recommend wiping off the old thermal paste. And then apply a small dot on each chip before screwing back in your heatsink. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Next, unscrew the LCD bracket and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the remaining LCD cables. Disconnect the speaker cable. Now unscrew and remove the inner frame. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the motherboard cables. Now unscrew and turn over the motherboard. Then disconnect the CMOS battery. Then unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the keyboard connectors. Next, peel away the plastic tape to reveal the keyboard assembly screws. Now unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. The reassembly. Now the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.